again, and also all the new people. Okay, so this is designed, and I'll say it quite a few times as everybody, as you can see, are popping on. Yeah. House coming in from Germany. I know we have someone from Ireland. Let's see if she's come on yet. But we're going to find all that out in a moment. Because when you do a workshop, I have to tell you, you want to know who you're working with. Because for the next 2 weeks, we are going to be working together. We're going to be going on this journey together, apart, but together. So this is going to be really interesting. Most of my workshops that I've done in the past are usually 6 to 8 hours, non-stop. So I'm actually really excited about this one because I've always wanted to do workshop in bite-sized chunks. Because personally, I learn better with short chunks and then do a little practice over the few weeks. So, because I don't know about you, but after 6 to 8 hours, you know, our minds can feel like they're completely blown. Lift when everything's activated and moving properly. It doesn't matter how small or big you are, you will be able to lift some heavy stuff if everything's activated properly. So let's go over this kettlebell one more time. So you're going to step all the way over the kettlebell. You're going to push your hip back so you can put your hands behind your head. Then slowly keep that structure there. You want to spark up the entire posterior chain. All right. So if you'd like to add your kettlebell, go ahead, or you can keep your hands behind your head. This corner piece, that's where your thumb goes. Okay. You're still wrapping it around the main part, your fingers, or around the main portion of the handle. There, yeah, that's it. Good. I'm only going to do one. It's just a V on one side. Okay, and I'm going to reach and tilt the bell in. So this is the floor, let's all imagine. And I'm reaching and I'm tilting, okay? So this is the position your hand's going to be in. So it's as if it's one part of your V. Okay, there's a V. The pointed part of the V is towards your body. And you're only going to grab one part of the V and you're going to tilt it in. The thumb is slightly pointing back, not completely. We talked about that. It's just a slight diagonal. And then from there, I'm going to do something I've never done. I'm going to hike it, and then you're just going to bring it around. In the beginning, this will help even things out, but we're going to do some tension techniques so we can eventually get this side working just as well as the other side. Okay, now one in your hand or 30-pound in your arm, your foot position is going to make all the difference in the world. So we're going to kind of tie some of this together. We're going to talk about the breathing, the foot position, the head position, and how to ignite your lats without overwhelming you. So we back. I'm not going to slide into it like I see a lot of people. It's not the ideal way. You don't want to slide. You can gently pull down back to this strong lat side plank, the kettlebell in towards you. It looks like this. Imagine the wall is, this is the floor. My shoulders down, I'm squeezing my glutes, and I'm using 2 hands to press it into the punch arm position. And I always use 2 hands to pull it back, okay? So again, shoulders down. Let's go ahead and practice this now. Let's stand up and do it together because can I see everyone's floor? I can't see everybody's floor, but that's okay. That's how I'll be able to make sure you guys are starting this right. And the better the starting position, the stronger your get up. Yes, believe it or not. All right, these are really important little details I can't go over in regular videos. Okay, and so for my shoulders down, and I'm gonna use 2